Current state analysis is a very first step of any organizational design. Before you even start thinking of change, you need to start with answering a very important question, and that's, what is the current state of your organization? Having that clear picture of the current situation, HR leaders can start making well-supported recommendations about the transformation project scope. They can look into feasible options to address any kind of identified problems. Where are the bottlenecks today? What are the causes of poor business performance? And after all of this analysis is done, they can start setting out a path of improvements towards the desired future state. Now, the reality is you have a lot of data, and you need to turn all the data that you have into information, use that information to gain insights and turn these insights into action. And to do that effectively, you need to understand your baseline. What are your current processes? What are your current structures? Who are your current employees? And to do that, you need ways to or means to visualize your organization, real-time analytics, dashboards, reporting, whether it's related to your organization or talent data or financial data. It could also be diversity, equity, and inclusion data, as we mentioned before. Values and culture could be a driver for change. Of course, lately, ESG, or the disclosure of environmental, social, and corporate governance. All of this information is very relevant, and you need to mobilize it to enable your decision-making process. Without having any solutions, you would have to do this process manually. You would need to extract the data into offline tools such as Excel, PowerPoint, or Visio. And right there is the big problem. HR data is transactional. It's constantly changing. New employees are hired. Some go on leave. Some are terminated. Some are transferred. So the data is constantly changing, and it becomes obsolete the minute it's extracted. HR solutions such as Nakisa's HR Suite ensures that your data is dynamic, always up to date, and in sync with your HCM source. So the insights that you get are real-time insights.